Welcome to Geometry CST release question number 55. It says the measures of the interior angles of a pentagon are 2x, 6x, 4x minus 6, 2x minus 16, and 6x plus 2. What is the measure in degrees of the largest angle? I like this question. This looks like a fun question, an interesting question here. I'm going to draw a pentagon. I don't know exactly which angle is which, so I'm just going to make this a regular looking pentagon, but clearly I think it should be clear that this is not going to be regular because one angle is 2x, one angle is 6x. Those would be a lot different measurements. But let's just draw any pentagon. That would be that, 4x minus 6, 2x minus 16, and 6x plus 2. If x is positive, I think it's clear that this is the one we'd be looking at, because 6x would be close to the largest, but if we add 2 to that, that's going to be a little bit bigger. So first of all, we have to know what the measures all add up to. So the measures of any n-gon, any polygon, it's always n minus 2 times 180. So we take n minus 2 times 180. This is the sum of the measures of the interior angles. Equals that. And so you have 5 for the number of sides times 2, or minus 2 times 180. That would be 3 times 180, which is 540. So they're all supposed to add up to 540. So you could say, therefore, that you could set up this equation. 540 would equal all 5 of these things added together. So we've got 2x plus 6x plus 4x minus 6 plus 2x minus 16. I'll put parentheses around these because these are individual angles. But that doesn't change how we're going to do the problem later on, or when we simplify. So it's just a plus sign. There's nothing to distribute really. So I'm just going to combine like terms. I've got 2x plus 6x would be 8x. 8x plus 4x would be 12x. 12x plus 2x would be, excuse me, 14x. 14x plus 6x would be 20x. So I've got 20x right here. And I just want to double check that. I had a, let's see, this is 10, 12, 14, yeah, okay. And then we've got minus 6, minus 16, that'd be negative 22, plus 2 would be a minus 20. Bring down the 540. We're getting close, we're getting warmer. This is going to be plus 20, here and here. You'll have 560 equals 20x. Divide both sides by 20, and you have your value for x. You don't have your value for the largest angle quite yet, but we're real close. So this would be x would equal, that's a 20 right there. 56 divided by 2 would be 28, so I'd have 28 because the zeros would cancel here and here. So I'd have 28 for what x is. Notice they put that as one of the answers, but that's not going to be our correct answer because we need to know what the measure is in degrees of the largest angle. And remember, this one was going to be the largest, so we're going to take this value and plug it in for x right here. So this is the largest. Right here, you have 6 times 28 plus 2. 6 times 30 would be 180, and then 6 times 2 would be 12, so it's 12 less than 180, which would be 168, and 168 plus 2 would be 170 degrees. So your final answer for 55 should be choice C, 170.